Hot work safety on construction sites, mitigating fire hazards and ensuring worker protection. Hot work operations are common on construction sites and involve tasks such as welding, cutting, brazing, and grinding, which generate high temperatures and sparks. While essential for construction activities, hot work can also pose significant fire hazards if not properly managed. Let's explore the importance of hot work safety on construction sites, highlighting the potential risks, preventive measures, and best practices to protect workers and prevent fire incidents. Understanding the risks of hot work. Hot work operations can create fire hazards due to the high heat, sparks, and molten metal produced during the process. The combination of flammable materials, such as wood, insulation, paint, and combustible gases, can easily ignite and lead to destructive fires if proper safety precautions are not in place. The potential consequences of a hot work-related fire can include property damage, project delays, injuries, and even fatalities. Identifying potential hazards and risk factors. To effectively manage hot work safety, a thorough assessment of potential hazards and risk factors is essential. Factors contributing to the risk of hot work-related fires include the presence of flammable materials, inadequate fire protection measures, improper ventilation, and lack of awareness or training among workers. Conducting a comprehensive site analysis and identifying potential ignition sources are crucial for developing appropriate preventive measures. Preventive measures and best practices. Hot work permit system. Implementing a hot work permit system is essential to ensure that hot work activities are conducted safely. A permit system typically involves a formal authorization process that includes pre-job inspections, hazard assessments, communication with affected parties, and the establishment of fire watch protocols. Fire protection and prevention. Fire extinguishers, fire blankets, and fire-resistant materials should be readily available near hot work areas. Adequate fire suppression systems, such as sprinkler systems, should also be in place, especially in confined spaces or areas where flammable materials are present. Ventilation and air monitoring. Proper ventilation helps remove flammable vapors and fumes from hot work areas, reducing the risk of fire. Air monitoring can detect the presence of flammable gases or vapors before they reach dangerous levels. Safe work practices. Proper training on safe work practices is essential for workers engaged in hot work operations. This training should include proper use and handling of equipment, the importance of maintaining a clean work area, and the significance of maintaining a clear distance from combustible materials. Fire watch. Designating a trained fire watch during and after hot work operations is crucial to detect and respond to potential fire incidents promptly. Fire watchers should remain on site for a specified period after hot work is completed to monitor for any smoldering or re-ignition. Hot work equipment inspection. Regular inspection and maintenance of hot work equipment, such as welding machines and cutting tools, is vital to ensure their proper functioning and minimize the risk of malfunctions or incidents. Communication and coordination. Open communication between hot work operators, supervisors, and affected parties is essential to ensure everyone is aware of the ongoing hot work activities and potential fire hazards. Hot work training and emergency response. Comprehensive hot work training should be provided to workers engaged in hot work activities. This training should cover topics such as fire prevention, hazard identification, proper use of equipment, emergency response procedures, and the importance of adhering to hot work permits. Establishing clear emergency response protocols for fire incidents related to hot work is crucial. Workers should be trained on the appropriate actions to take, including sounding alarms, notifying emergency services, and safely evacuating the area. Regular emergency drills and simulations can help ensure that workers are familiar with the procedures and can respond effectively in the event of a fire. Hot work safety is paramount on construction sites to prevent fire incidents and protect workers. By identifying potential hazards, implementing preventive measures, and fostering a culture of awareness and communication, the risks associated with hot work operations can be significantly reduced. Prioritizing hot work permits, proper ventilation, fire protection equipment, and adequate training are vital to ensuring the safety and well-being of construction site workers. Through these comprehensive efforts, construction sites can become safer environments, minimizing the risk of fires and promoting a culture of safety for all workers involved in hot work activities.